So first you must open Microsoft Office, the MS Office or MS Word document in your Windows computer. So after opening the document, that is Microsoft Word document, you can try this method. You must go to your computer keyboard, and this keyboard you can see that this is the number lock. So you must press this number lock. Now you can see that we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see an alt key. You can see two alt key on the right and left side. I am going to press the alt key on my left side. So I press and hold this alt key. I am not removing my finger from this alt key. At the same time I am going to type 128214. So after typing 128214, I release my finger from this alt key. So you can see that the symbol have been errored. So this is an open book, a book open. So this is an open book symbol we have created in our Windows computer. For more videos you can subscribe Engineers World Online. Thank you.